Alright you guys, so we are at my makeup vanity. I'm going to be putting on my daily makeup because it is a filming day for me. I need to film 2 videos after this one, and I just finished filming my skincare routine. So I did prime and prep my face. If you guys want to check that out, I will put a card on the screen for you guys. It is my morning skincare routine. I think you guys are really going to like it. But now I'm going to put some makeup on. I did a chatty get ready with me recently where I share all the products. So we're just going to kind of zoom through this. Then we will be getting the vlog started. So thank you so much for clicking on this video, and definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. You guys already know it's gonna be a One Tree Hill kind of get ready with me. Alright you guys, so I just finished up doing my makeup. If you guys would like a more in-depth tutorial, I do have a recent video, the chit chatty get ready with me. It is Tuesday. I am bulk filming today and I couldn't be more excited, so I'm going to walk you guys through it. But I want to share with you guys what I'm wearing because it is seriously so cute and perfect for the 45 Days of Pink or a cute casual Valentine's Day outfit. Okay besties, so this is today's fit. I am obsessed with it. I love how casual and comfy it is. So my sweater is, I believe, from Target. I just French tucked it into my skinny jeans, and these are from Abercrombie and Finch. Then I just have on these super cute booties. I love them because they have a little bit of a heel to them. I think this is the first time you guys have seen my new camera because you guys never really get to see it. And it's got the cutest little white fluff on it. That's the microphone. So that's new. I think I shared this new lamp with you. It's from IKEA. But I also share with you guys, we bought new bedding from Target and it is seriously so stinking cute. I'm kind of getting a little bit of like Pottery Barn vibes, but for a fraction of the cost. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So when you walk in, this is what our bed looks like. It's so cute. I love this little like trim of the duvet. So cute. So we did white and gray. I have my Lily Pulitzer bedding still, but I love the shams. It came with 2 Euro shams as well, but we don't have the inserts for them yet, so those will go behind it. And then it also came with these 2 throw pillows. I think it's so cute and I just love it, and you guys will never believe the price. So everything came in one big bag. I think it was on sale for $79, which is like 80 bucks basically. Good deal because I was looking on Pottery Barn for a similar bedding style with the monogram and it was like $500, and I was like, okay, we are balling on a budget here. So I had to share that with you guys. I will try my best to link it down below in case you guys are curious. We have a queen, so the price might flex a little bit depending on the size of your bed, but I just thought it was so stinking cute that I had to share it with you guys. But also on Saturday we had to rush ship something. Let me go show it to you because it is a whole story. So I ended up ordering in rush shipping the Ugg care kit, and this comes with 3 products and 2 brushes. And I'm just going to tell you guys this from my experience. Order this before an accident happens to prevent an accident. So over the weekend I was wearing my Uggs and I love these things so much. I got them for Christmas. They're the little Ugg minis and I believe they're in chestnut, and I haven't even worn these out of the house yet because I'm like, I don't want anything to happen to them. I think they're so stinking cute. And I was just eating lunch in my pajamas with my little slippers on, and I spilled something on them. I want to say it was like barbecue sauce. I'm still not 100% sure how that would have happened, but it was our only thing that both John and I could think of that would be what was on it. And I kid you not, it was like a glob. It was like all over here and it was huge and it was dark and it was like the only thing I could see when it happened. And I'm gonna be honest because I know someone might be able to relate to it. I cried. I like was like full on meltdown, tears running down my face about my new Uggs. And it was that thing that I was like, I don't even know what to do. I went to YouTube, I googled it, I watched on TikTok like how to clean your Uggs, and there are some horror stories out here because these are suede boots, so they're kind of stain prone, and everyone just kind of recommended this. There was a few home remedies, but I did not feel comfortable with that. John's like, let's just buy the kit. It was, I want to say $35 on Amazon. I will have it linked down below, but they also have like a spray that goes on it, so you can spray your new Uggs or your Uggs before anything happens to it to make it easier in the future. So anyways, I wish I would have taken a before picture. I was just too traumatized in the moment from the big glob of barbecue sauce on my shoe, which I was eating meal prep. I was eating a nice healthy lunch with barbecue on it, trying to be on my healthy lifestyle grind when I had this happen. And you guys, I put the cleaner on. I did one little thing. I didn't even do the whole shoe because I was so scared because you have to get it wet and everything. You can't even tell it's there. I mean, like there's a little bit of like different texture because I haven't finished it out with the brushing and stuff because I have to wait 24 hours. But would you ever guess I spilled barbecue sauce on these? So I just wanted to share this in case anyone, you guys just got a pair of Uggs and haven't done this yet, or if you guys have a stain on your Ugg, definitely recommend it because this stuff seriously works. And I know with how trendy and expensive these shoes are, it's definitely worth it to make them last and look their best. So that was a little random side tangent of a story from the weekend. But when I got this package, I also got a Pixie PR package, and I want this vlog to be a content creator day in my life because I make videos. So today is a batch filming day. Like I mentioned earlier, it is so dark and gloomy outside. It's also getting closer to the evening because I was editing videos this morning and was working on emails and stuff like that, so I did get a later start on the day, but I thought it'd be fun to kick it off with opening a PR package since as a content creator you do get PR packages in the mail. This one is from Pixie, and then once we open this up I will share with you guys the behind the scenes of filming, getting ready, and editing some videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and let's just open this box up. So I love their packaging because it says Pixie and has all of their socials on it. I did slice the tape, but I haven't opened it yet. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whew. Ooh, Clarity Collection. I love it. It looks like a bubble. Do you guys see that? It's so cute. And then they have a bunch of this packing supplies in here, which is kind of messy. Just gonna put that over here. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's like a whole skincare setup. So it's blue. We have a cleanser, a toner, a clarity concentrate, which looks like a serum, a lotion, and a zero zit spot treatment remedy. Wow. Thank you so much, Pixie. I am so excited to use this. Definitely go check out Pixie. I will have them linked down below as well. But maybe to get started for the behind the scenes, I can show you guys how I am lighting my room with it being so dark outside. Hey guys, I closed the blinds for privacy reasons, but I've been filming in front of my windows. I have this Diva ring light over here, and then I also have my vanity lights on max, and I've just been sitting here with my camera on top of my Stanley cup filming and facing this way. So this is my view when I'm filming, and then that way you guys see this as your background. So that is my little filming setup. I've been loving this lamp in the background. Seriously, so cute. But I've also been loving the XOXO neon sign. It gives a lot of fun little pops of color and lighting to the background of my videos. We are currently on my computer, and I wanted to share with you guys how I make my content calendars digitally. So this is Canva. I love Canva. I highly recommend. And so you can go over to design and type in 2023 calendar, but it comes with all 12 calendars. And so what I'll do is go in with my text and write what I want to create for that day, and then put a little check mark behind it. So these are all of the videos that have been filmed and or uploaded. And then I also use Final Cut Pro for editing and Photoshop for my thumbnails. So that is like a little mini what's on my computer. We are going to be editing some videos later today. So I am going to switch into my top for the what's on my iPhone video and put my phone on my Stanley cup and sit down and film that video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Alright guys, so I just finished filming a few videos. I think this is my 4th video that I'm filming today, so we are really trying to get ahead, and I'm currently on my computer. I'm going to open up Final Cut and I want to show you guys what it looks like. This was a previous video I was editing, but we are going to go ahead and edit today's daily video. So let me show you guys a little behind the scenes. Okay, so again, I have Final Cut Pro open and I keep all of my files in folders. So I'm just going to drag this into it and we're going to edit. So I'm going to do a little bit of a time lapse.